I'm Steve King, partner with MK CPAs. We're continuing our video series dealing with the coronavirus and its impact on businesses. This video is about the newly passed PPP Flexibility Act. I'm going to quickly explain 3 key items and mention 2 important questions that still remain unanswered. Let's jump into the 3 key items. First, the repayment timeframe. The deadline to apply is June 30th, 2020, and there are still funds available. The cover period, which was originally 8 weeks to disperse all of the PPP funds, has now been extended to 24 weeks. You don't have to take it, but you do have the option now. Second, the payroll 75% expenditure requirement is reduced to 60% for forgiveness. Basically, you can use more non-payroll expenses and still qualify for complete forgiveness. Third is the FTE Restore. Originally, you had to bring back your employees by June 30th. That deadline has been extended to December 31st, 2020. Now let me bring up 2 important questions that have yet to be clarified. First, this has to do with the safe harbor provision. Safe harbor simply means you've met minimum requirements. This question deals with the FTE Restore requirement. Assuming you met the requirement of rehiring your employees, then we experience a second wave and you have to lay some off prior to 12/31/2020. Did you meet the minimum requirement for complete forgiveness? We need the U.S. Treasury to provide some guidance on this. Second, this has to do with expense deductibility. In May, I posted our COVID-19 Business Survival Update number 6. I mentioned that certain lobbying groups are pushing for an additional benefit. They want to get the government to allow us to deduct the expenses we covered with our PPP funds. Normally, we would be using operating cash and booked it as a deductible expense. Right now, if we use PPP funds, we aren't able to deduct those same expenses. This deductibility issue has not changed, but it's one we all need to keep an eye on. Well, that's it for now. Friends, this is what we know at this time. It's very fluid, so more information is sure to come, and some of these rules are subject to interpretation. Reach out to your CPA or your banker. I'm Steve King with MK CPAs in Louisville. If I can help at all, call our office at 502-587-9833. We are still working. Remember, hang in there and we'll get through this together.